How to deposit check in TD Bank online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TD mobile banking application. From the TD app home screen, select the Deposit Cheque button at top of your screen. Your buttons may be in different order than in the sample image. Now go ahead and select the Register button at the bottom of your screen. Now scroll through to read the TD Mobile Deposit Terms and Conditions and select the Accept button at the bottom of your screen. You will see a message confirming your successful registration. Next, select Deposit Cheque near the top of your screen and remember, you can only deposit checks from Canadian financial institutions. Now, from the To Account drop-down, select the account you'll use to deposit the check. In the Amount field, enter the dollar amount written on the check. Use the optional memo field below to add a personal message. Now, in the Capture Check section, select the Front button to take a picture of the front of your check. If this is your first time, review the tips for better results and select the OK button. You may be prompted to allow the TD app to access your camera. Now go ahead and position the front of your check inside the white border on screen and hold your device still. The app will automatically take a photo for you when the check is clear and positioned correctly. If auto capture fails, select the white shutter button to take a manual photo. Now, write the following 3 things in pen on the back of your check. First, your signature. Second, the words "for deposit only," and third, your account number. Now select the back button and take a photo of the back of your check. Position the back of your check inside the white border just as you did with the front photo, holding your device still. If auto capture fails, select the white shutter button to take a manual photo. Finally, review your photos and deposit information. To go back and change information, select the back button at the top of your screen and when you're ready, select the Finish Deposit button at the bottom of your screen. You will receive a confirmation number for your records, and from here you can go to the TD app home screen, deposit another check or view your accounts. You can also view your mobile deposit history as outlined below. So, this is how you can deposit check in TD Bank online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.